having the rinse kit for dog washing is like a whole new experience. And then we got the rinse kit, and it's made life so much easier because I can just take it into the bathroom and fill it up with warm water and no mess, bring it outside. It's got like a higher pressure nozzle, all the different options. I like to use the shower one to get her all the way soaked, and then suds her up, and then I like to use the flat actually to rinse her, so it has a little bit more pressure and the spray is flat, so you can just rinse it straight down, pull all the soap off. Yeah, and you're outside and it's no mess and it's warm water. It's like the best of both worlds. Other cool features about the Cube compared to the Pro, it has this USB port that's built into it. It can actually charge your phone or any device that you want to charge, which is really super handy for camping or when you're on the go. And then it also has, when you turn it on, this little panel right here which tells you the temperature of the water that's inside there. I definitely recommend the RinseKit Cube, and if you're interested and want to get your own, head over to RinseKit.com.